All right, take a look at these temperatures as we head into the 10 o'clock hour, and we are still in the 40s out west on I-94, Valley City and Jamestown. Some 30s up north and still upper 30s around Lake of the Woods, 36 Bemidji. Fair temperatures for this evening. As we take a look, though, at the satellite and radar, a fair amount of cloudiness as well, with some light mixed precipitation dancing around the Lake of the Woods in the Rainy River, War Road area as well. And that's how things are shaping up right now. But as we do head to bed, the south winds continue to blow at 5 to 15 miles per hour. That keeps us from getting too cold. Once again, we'll start out with temperatures 25 to 30 in most areas. But by the morning, clouds and mixed precipitation in the northern valley. It looks light to start the day. The system's just getting organized, and its intensity increases a bit as it moves south and east. Through the midday hour, we could have some snow in our northern counties and maybe some mixed precipitation for a few of us down in the south. Look at the wind direction changing. By the afternoon, our western counties could be seeing very gusty conditions, particularly in the south and west. Now, as we go through the morning hours and into the afternoon, the best chance of snow slides southward and east. It may not hit you in the southwestern counties near Ellendale or Jamestown, but could be moving through the valley and lakes country as we go through the evening hours. So prepare for some wintry roads. Snowfall potential with this system is not huge. Many of us seeing a few tenths, up to an inch to 2 inches, though, in a few places, particularly along the heavy band that makes its way from the northern valley into central Minnesota. As a result of that, temperatures will not get quite as warm. 27 to start the day. We do warm up to almost 40, Mike, here in the FM area. But for the drive home, we could have some mixed precipitation, so have the washer fluid filled up. Here is a look at your temperatures for your afternoon drive home in your neighborhood. Roseau 30 in Detroit Lakes with a chance of snow north and mainly east of the FM area in the afternoon. Cloudy but drier out to the west. Now, another dose of snow comes on Friday, and once again, Fargo finds itself in the middle again with the heavier bands of snow of this round looking to move to the west and the south, but it promises to be much, much colder for all of us. Here's another great photo from the prairies of the northern plains. Kirsten sending this up from Emerado as those stalks are bowing to the snow and the cold. All right, speaking of snow and cold, we talked about Wednesday, mixed precipitation, mainly north, although in the late part of the day, Fargo will indeed have a chance at some of that mixed precipitation. So watch for slippery roads as temperatures will be falling throughout the day on Friday. They'll be warmest early, and we'll spend most of the day in the 20s. That sets the stage with that Friday snow moving out for some very cold temperatures on Saturday for tailgaters at the Bison game. Peaking at only 20 degrees in the afternoon. We rebound a little bit on Sunday. And on Monday, there's another round of slight precipitation. But then we're right back to 35 to 40 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday. As we approach Thanksgiving, it looks like the weather will change once again for the warmer.
That's pretty good, and we'll take that.
Indeed, especially for travelers.
Yeah, thanks.